Faber Piano Adventures Level 2A, pages 14 and 15. A minuet for Mr. Bach's children. In this piece, we're going to be playing eighth notes that are split between hands. We'll talk about that in a second. Some sharps in both hands. We're going to try to play some dynamics, getting a little bit louder and softer. And we're also going to slow down at the end because there's a rit, which is short for ritardando, which means to play slower. Watch out for your staccato marks. You'll hear me play some. So let's get started with this piece. The right hand starts with the second finger on D. So here's the two black keys, middle C. We're just starting right there in middle C position. Second finger should be on D. The left hand, we're going to take our third finger, and that first note is G. So 3 notes down. Okay, we're going to put a third finger on G, second on A, first on B. All right? Now let's listen to the piece as I play, and watch out for those staccatos and sharps and so forth. Let's listen. So try to slow down at the end and play around with that. Also, when you're doing these parts, try to grow a little bit louder and lift and strike a little harder as you're going up. Okay, remember we're lifting and striking our fingers. We're not trying to press harder like that, okay? Lift your fingers and strike them down. Alright? Other than that, let's talk about the joined eighth notes. When you look at the first bar of the song, you can see that the right hand starts on D, and then we have 4 eighth notes, but 3 of them are in the left hand, and then the C, middle C, is in the right hand. And it says right there above that, eighth note split between the hands. So you can see how the beam goes across all those, but the stem of the note is going up to the treble clef for the C, whereas the stems are going down to the bass clef for the bass notes, or the left-hand notes. Okay? Other than that, I think we've covered everything. Watch out, there are a few sharps in here. You might have noticed as I was going up here, there was an F sharp. And maybe when I played this part, F sharp. So watch out, there are some F sharps in here. Pay attention to that. Otherwise, good luck on A Minuet for Mr. Bach's Children.